We will learn about different parts of the body. This is a head. This is my head. These are hairs. These are my hairs. These are ears. These are my ears. These are eyes. These are my eyes. This is a mouth. This is my mouth. This is a nose. This is my nose. These are cheeks. These are my cheeks. This is a chin. This is my chin. This is a neck. This is my neck. This is a chest. This is my chest. These are shoulders. These are my shoulders. This is a stomach. This is my stomach. This is an elbow. This is my elbow. This is an ankle. This is my ankle. This is a knee. This is my knee. These are hips. These are my hips. This is a hand. This is my hand. These are fingers. These are my fingers. This is a foot. This is my foot. These are toes. These are my toes. This is an arm. This is my arm. This is a body. This is my body. This is a leg. This is my leg. These are buttocks. These are my buttocks. To enjoy more kids videos, please subscribe to my channel.